My bad. I didn't know you were having a stroke.
That wasn't a joke.
Welcome back to the Noise DLC update thing.
Yeah, today we're gonna do,
Floor 3.
Floor 3.
And he's
What would the noise look like? What would the noise boss fight look like? Would you be fighting the noise?
Guys, we're 41% done with this game.
Damn.
Let's go. Can't get right back to this noisy action. So, the last world was pretty fun. Except for some minor difficulties P ranking. Let's go.
Crush cones.
Get him, Noise. Whoa. Ah, I forgot that he controls weird. North Carolina. Am I really gonna come on.
Yeah, I don't think the stage was made for noise.
I could tell. The question is, could you tell?
Yeah.
Could you guys tell?
That's a big question for Big Lizzie.
I don't have Jerome yet, nor do I have the top.
Wait, is Jerome in this level?
Yeah.
He is?
Yeah, he's in every level.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. Who do you think gets you the treasure? Barrel Noise confirmed.
Oh wait, no, not Jerome. I'm stupid. Gustavo.
No, Gustavo's not in this level.
When does Gustavo show up?
Gustavo's... I don't think we're going to be playing with Gustavo this time. Where's the Noise now?
But what level does he appear in?
He usually appears in Gnome Forest, which is actually the one after this one.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Get him, Noise.
Barrel.
Whoa, Noise, what are you doing? What? Why did he, like, fly off the side? Also, our combo's about to die. I don't know if we're gonna make it for the ride. Oh! Nice. Nice save. Okay, I don't like the way that he controls the barrel. I guess he climbs walls with the barrel. This is groundbreaking. Look at his idle animation with the barrel. He's like... He's upside down inside the barrel. Noise, what are you doing, my brother? Yeah, like he climbs inside the barrel and it's weird. You see the way he like does this?
So
okay,
weird.
that's not great. Uh-oh. What is happening with you, man?
Bro said.
Come on! I once again feel as if this level wasn't quite designed for him. Do you think I care? Once said the Noise. Oh god, this secret's so weird with him. Whoa, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. Yeah. Why is he like get inside of a tube and stuff? Yeah,
Where
how
does
you
he
like?
get those stuff from?
I guess. I mean, he looks like a very well-equipped man. Blood is so childish,
For real.
but yet he's so talented with killing things.
He has a murder obsession.
I mean, I do too. I'm not gonna lie.
You know, I have an obsession with guns.
Can you like? Like, I love how he's just like drinking tea and waiting for cannonballs to come, so he can like wag his finger and say no. Ah yes, what a good cup of tea, my fine son. What a good fine cup of tea. I love my Is that what people do in Britain to like kill each other? Whoops. Like they're just like, what a fine day. What a nice cup of tea. Would you like a sip, sir? I don't think.
Breaking the fourth wall by coming out of the TV. Oh god, pizza 10.
So I don't know how this is gonna go, cause you know his weird wall climbing addiction.
How come he can't do that with his normal moveset, but he can do that with a barrel?
I know, man. Like, no, if you're trying to make this hard for me. Oh, I think he got hit in the face. Noise, come on, man. Have the decency to climb some walls, man. Yeah. This like ruins the whole flow of the barrel part.
Yeah.
The way that he like climbs around and stuff inside the barrel, it like ruins the flow.
Yeah.
So like some transformations are better with the noise, and then there's the barrel, which is absolutely awful. Thanks for letting me take this.
Yo, we should do a ranking video.
Noise transformation
We should do a
rank.
ranking video of the Noise Peppino. Yeah, the Noise and Peppino's transformations.
That could be an interesting video. Uh-oh. I missed it. Oh! That was such a good
Oh,
save.
lap 2. Bro comes equipped.
Bro came equipped with all the right gear to go diving. I don't want to have to be the one to
with
tell.
bombs. Bro came equipped with a floaty. Bro came equipped with a skateboard.
I'm not a barrel. Ooh. Treasure! Yeah. No, I don't want the barrel. I'm good, thanks. Go, Noise.
Yeah, we glitched it.
Nice job, Noise. I love the fact. I love the fact that he just falls into
Goodbye,
that.
Noise.
Bro, I just got here. I don't want hugs and kisses. No. Here we go. The worst level in the game.
Wow. No.
Forest.
Forest. The worst level in the game, known as Forest. Or known as crap. Stupid.
Wait, was he waving to me? Cause I'm the Noise. I think he was just like being friendly because I'm a Noise. Yo, I'm the Noise. Hi. What do you? Oh, he's gone. Okay, bye. Hey, what's up, dude? Can he see me from here? Gotcha.
Why don't they attack you? Oh.
Okay, cool.
It's just him again.
The Noise and Noise tutorial. Yeah.
It's the same thing, isn't it?
It is. It's the same tutorial, but we're not Gustavo, are we?
Oh man, they ran out of ideas.
Uh-oh. I don't think I can do this. I hate my life.
It's A, get good. B, play the combo.
Kill yourself! Okay, that's it. Come with me. Guys, don't say what I just said. I'm sorry. To anybody who's watching this video, I did not know what I said. I did not mean what I just said. I said the B word. I said the bad word. I don't know why I said that. That was stupid. Man, now this video is gonna get demonetized. Why did I say that? Okay. So would somebody like to remind me? How in the heck? Yeah. Now wait, where are you going? Why? I refuse to believe that this is actually happening right now. This is just a nightmare, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Why are you in my nightmare? Bro, I actually hate this level so much. And I think you're probably starting to see why.
Yeah.
Bro, who do you think you are, taunting the Noise? You know, man, if I lose my combo, I'm gonna lose it. Well, obviously, but, like, I'm gonna lose my mind if I lose my combo. Lost combo, lost mine. That's a good title for a book. I should write that. I beg to differ. Killing that gnome pizza should really recharge your combo.
Yeah.
But why would anything that I want in the game actually happen? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like an easier P rank for Gnome Forest, please.
For real. This is hard.
Bro, the noise is so ruthless. He literally just kills everything that he sees.
He's like, should I kill this short?
Like, literally, like, that's not even an exaggeration that I'm making. He just walked up to that man's house and killed the house. And the man probably inside of it. Like, noise. Bro. Chill. My brother in crust. Alright.
Also, when he's a bullet, that makes it even more realistic.
Chat. I don't think I'm getting this. Like, I'm able to do it just fine. Oh my god. Please. Yeah! Nice save, by the way. Nice save by me. That was a good save. Good job, me.
Good job, you.
Fat rat. Bro, this pizza time's gonna be so easy. Especially with us being the noise.
Are you sure about that?
I'm almost positive. Oh my. So, I don't know if you know this, but Gustavo is like 8 times slower than Peppino is.
Yeah.
So watch this.
It's kind of not meant for noise now.
Now it's like this entire level has been, man, this level is awful for the noise. But now it's like, man, this level is not meant for the noise. He's too overpowered.
Yeah.
Like, before it was like, he's not good enough to beat this level. Now it's like, he's too good. You see how quick we got through that pizza time?
Let me turn back into myself. Please.
Man, I'm tired of being the noise. I just want to become the noise again, man. Yes, yes. Back to that noise. I love how even the game knows, like, this is the same character, just twice.
Get in there, Gustavo.
We're not Gustavo.
Wait, Gustavo.
Get him, boys. Just stole that man. Stole that man's house. My fault. That's not great. Was the noise just screaming? He was like, ah! Yo. It's the noise playing. Bro, my favorite playable character is still Peppino. But this is still really cool.
My favorite playable character is the noise. Because he's my favorite character.
You can't call him an NPC anymore because now you can play as him. This is so hard. Back to that noise. I I love how like the house that I destroyed is just gone now. Final secret. Oh. Success is a great taste. Yeah. Finally, we're done with Crust Cove. How do you feel about that?
Awesome. Wait, that wasn't Crust Cove?
Or not Crust Cove.
Oh no. You know, just Gustavo was noise. I'm starting to think that we're gonna fight ourselves.
You know, I kind of have that feeling. That we're gonna fight ourselves.
Three noises, question mark. Wait, are we gonna fight Peppino?
I don't think so. Peppino's probably minding his own business. It's Peppino's day off, man. I wouldn't bother.
Why does he just get blocked? It's the golf ball. What the?
He was a donut there for a sec. So I feel like golf with the noise is probably gonna suck.
Yeah.
So let's hope we can get a hole-in-one and finish this one. Okay, first of all. How does the noise just become a boxer as soon as he hits the ball?
Doesn't make any sense.
How'd we get here? I think I'm actually about to expect you to... Uh-oh. Hurry. Oh, that was close. You know, golf is always called like, oh my god, this level takes so long. It literally doesn't.
Are you kidding me?
It's not even that long. Y'all are just exaggerating. I still hate the level though. Uh-oh. Whoop. Hold on, let me just... Okay. Jolly good, mate. No, get back here. Whoop. Come to the noise. Whoop. Did you just kick my son? I hate it when that happens. Man, we're literally so close to seeing the noise fight.
Yeah.
Like, it's just, like, it's this level, and then one more level, and then we're done. And then we can finally see what's after this.
Wait, what's the last level?
Deep Dish 9.
Oh.
Did you forget about Deep Dish 9?
No.
How did he, like, go into the portal rolling, and then he just comes out a tornado? What happened there? You know, it doesn't seem like... I feel like they might need to do some bug fixes with this.
Yeah.
I mean, like, not in terms of, like, actual, oh god. They seem kind of mad. So do these guys. Why are they all mad at me? Noise, what did you do? Did you anger more mob bosses again? Just go, idiot. Bro, don't you love that moment in Pizza Tower where the noise is actually playable in the noise?
Yeah.
Bro, I love that part of Pizza Tower where the noise was the noise. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on, everybody. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's time for me to eat dinner. Alright, it's okay, it's alright. We're just gonna beat this in 5 minutes. We're just gonna have to beat this really quickly then.
We can't do lap it too.
No, we're still gonna do lap 2. We have to P rank it. We've come this far. We can't give up now.
Okay.
Come on. No, get over here. This is not being very quick.
Koopa the Quick.
Yeah, that guy's mean. I don't like him.
Mean.
He called me fat. Dude, this is possibly the slowest. Uh-oh. Whoa. Come on. Get over here right now. What's your favorite part of mini golfing? I love that part where you fly at Mach 4 speeds and get a Primo burger.
Wait, Mach 4? I thought that was Mach 3.
No, Mach 4 is when like your face gets all like. Come here. We're donuts right now. Whoa. Chicken sandwich burger? I don't know what it is, but I'm taking it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
This is hard. So now I'm at Mach 4 right now.
Damn.
Yeah. I'm not going to the door. I'm going in here. Alright. One more lap to seal the deal.
Come on.
Alright. Koopa the Quick, you gotta go quick. Man, I'm going fast.
Yeah.
I'll get her.
Hey, what a coincidence that we both have to eat dinner at the same time.
So I guess we're gonna wait till after dinner to see the doy.
Okay. Wait, that's what it's called?
I don't know. But I'll bet you $1 bill that he's called the doys.
I'll bet you $1 that we're gonna fight Pepino.
Alright, bet.
I bet you $1 we're gonna fight Pepino, or we're gonna fight the noise himself. Is in the woods. No.
We beat that one, boys.
Hey, don't open the window where you sit.
Alright.
Yes.
The continuation will be next time. But until that next time, have a nice day, everybody. And we'll see you in the continuation of Floor 3. And goodbye. What's poppin', Pizza Pals? We just restarted this video because I said a bad word because I'm getting extremely frustrated with Deep Dish 9. And it's not even fun anymore. I'm not having fun. I'm having sadness. And especially with this guy. Say hi, this guy. Here we go.
The United States Civil War was one that lasted from 1861 to 1863, and actually, they were still using pretty much revolutionary war tactics during that conflict, where they were marching in levels of battle, getting shot at. It was not one good war.
You know, I doubt that a single.
I believe them are the worst during summertime.
I have a question.
What?
Did you know that not a single one of my viewers probably understand a single thing that you just said?
Nom nom nom. Bro, this baseball guy's a W.
I would say that about the noise if this wasn't non-stop torture for the past 30 minutes. You guys don't understand.
Rainfall in the chat. W Rainfall from RDR2 in the chat.
You guys don't understand because you just got here. But I've been doing this for 30 minutes now. And I got so frustrated I said a bad word. So now we're restarting the entire video because I hate my life. And everybody in my class has negative brain cells and doesn't know what the opposite of subtraction is.
Like, seriously, bro. Even I know that! And I'm not negative brain cells in math. No, what? Bro, also, in Red Dead Redemption 2, Arthur and wife was killed for $10? Arthur has died by tumbling down a mountain in Red Dead Redemption.
Womp womp.
Maybe you could say is the easiest pizza level that is not the Pillage on one. Like, when you say the easiest level is in the new update.
There is no new levels.
Oh, you're all just playing as the noise?
Yeah.
But why is it hard?
Why is it hard? Because I'm P-ranking every level while doing this. Because I'm a gamer.
Makes sense.
You remember who you're talking to. I'm getting real angry. Because, like, I've been doing this for a strange amount of time. It's Deep Dish 9. It should not be taking this long.
Should I shoot this bird in Red Dead Redemption?
Absolutely. Go ahead, man. I don't care. Kill. I say let him die.
I'm gonna shoot this bird with my machete.
Go right ahead, man.
What is a machete?
What do you say?
Children.
I don't care if there's children in that family. I want them dead.
I don't care if I landed on that. I don't care that I weighed 4,000 pounds. I landed on the damn floor.
You know that one time I landed on a kid with a weight in my hand and he just died?
Remember that one time that I farted so loud and broke the sound barrier?
Yeah, I haven't been able to hear since. Thanks, dude.
And it was so loud that I lifted off the ground and started levitating.
You know what? I'm angry. I'm gonna take your cells now. Nah, you're done, buddy. You're canceled.
How?
I'm canceling you on Twitter because of this. You're banned. Time for cancel culture to take its name. And because yeah, bro, like Bluey.
Oh, you cannot be talking.
I'm not sorry or sad. I want to get home. And
well, I'm not a pizza aficionado like you, so.
I want to beat this level before I throw my controller at the floor.
Just step right now. Cut my life into pieces.
Damn straight. Let's go. I'm at lap 2. Shut up.
Now cut my life into pizza. This is my last resort.
Cut my life into pizza. This is my last slice.
It's my last. No, it's my last resort.
My last resort. You think I care? You can sniff my underwear for all I care. You can smell my hair. I don't care. Don't give me the Joe Biden treatment. Ooh. Ooh. Did you know that Pizza Face made the tower to stop Joe Biden?
Did you know that Pizza Face voted for Trump in the 2020 elections?
Another reason to hate Pizza Face. Yes!
Pepino voted for Donald Trump.
If Pepino voted for Donald, I will punch him right in the side right away. I'm gonna give him a family when I'm with Pepino. Yeah!
Andrew Plate.
If I ever see Andrew Kitchen play, I will lose it and punch him in the balls.
Yes, Andrew Dinner Plate.
Oh, my bad. Andrew Dinner Plate. I'm gonna talk to Noisette so she can give me drugs. Thank you, Noisette. Did you just kiss me? That's weird, but okay. Whoa, what is that? Why is he look? Oh, what? Whoa.
There's no natives in this game.
Wait, whoa, wait. What am I fighting? The Doys? I'm fighting the Doys. What the? Who's this? What in the fiery fires of the hell is you? Whoa, why are you throwing rocks at me, dude? What is happening? It's like me if I was a fake person. Why is this fake noise boss fight confirmed? It's basically just the noise fight, except now he has rocks. What if the noise just threw like a rock at Peppino? Peppino gets terminally brain damaged. I mean, it's already happened, you know. So, what's up with this guy? You gonna have a problem here? I feel like we might have a problem here. Ooga booga! Well, he's the Doise. He's built different. He's not ready for the... Whoa, what the... How are people calling this the best boss fight in Pizza Tower? This is the Doise boss fight. Like, what even is he?
Isn't the noise fighting the fake noise like Peppino fights fake Peppino?
I mean, yeah, kinda. Except fake Peppino was so much better. This is just noise. This is noise, but if he wore blue. I don't know if you can even call this a boss fight, brother.
He's got them.
These gosh diddly darn fakers, man. Like, this is the second time this week.
Trying to grab my shotgun.
Hey.
My last resort.
No! Shut up! Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. I need you to shut up. I just lost in a boss fight. When the boss had 1 health left. I'm going to jump off the edge of a cliff. And I'm bringing you with me. Because you don't deserve to live anymore. You know what? I'm not bringing a parachute. I'm bringing you, because you're as fat as a parachute, buddy. Queso looking, Sigma skibbity. You're built like Queso's butthole cream cheese.
You get out the television. Queso's butt. You're going Queso's foot fungus covered toes. She's full hair having.
You're built like a Skibbity Meyer.
You're going. That's it.
Fart attack. Poop on his forehead.
Remember when the Floyd Watchers YouTube channel /W?
Hey, we don't talk about him on this channel.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I knew it. Bro, you're literally a Sneed. Shut up. Bro is legit a Sneed from the Lorax.
Oh, you did not be holding.
Bro, shut up, Sneed. You're also kind of built like a Who from Whoville.
Okay, Oompa Goompa.
Bro, you're built like Willy Wonka himself.
You're built like Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Bib Booty Factory.
Bro, you're literally built like the girl that turned into a giant blueberry.
You built like the girl who turned into goat cheese.
Is that you?
Bro, you're built like me.
Oh god. That's an insult, alright.
That's it. Sleep moderately tight. Let the bed bugs crawl up your caboose and bite your insides.
I finally did it. I beat the Doise.
And shorted while doing it.
Yeah.
Guys, I beat the noise when I was watching YouTube or watching a certain site while farting.
Yeah!
Bro, what? Why are you being all quiet, Wyatt?
I was muted, wasn't I? I didn't even realize I was muted.
Guys, do you want me to post your search history?
Hey, we don't talk about that. Anyways, everybody, if you enjoyed today's video, and you can't hear him, right? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you guys next time. Goodbye. We'll be continuing this another time. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.